So I just spent some time at the Industrial Inbound Summit, and it's one of those events that, I mean, really, it's meant for marketers, but it gives some interesting insight to what's happening in the industry. What is interesting about the industry in general is that it's exploding, but it's exploding in the realm of these companies understanding the importance of marketing and the importance of what content does to make your products more sellable. And this is something that's new. I mean, this marketing has not been the best friend of manufacturing for a very long time, and now things like influencers and building buyer personas and things like that, it's really an intriguing way to see this industry start to turn around. But the whole event is at the Harley Davidson Museum in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. So let's go see the funnest part of manufacturing, and that's the final product.
This is the hour, darkest place, Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze. It's a good word.